Hello guys, welcome back to House of Carmel and welcome back to another video. This is super exciting because we are getting our closets professionally done in my house right now today. Well, they're actually already done, but I'm showing you what happened. You've seen me do a couple DIY refreshes and organizational videos in the past, but today is the day we are getting them professionally done. What you're looking at, what you saw was the before of my own closet. And here I'm just showing you what we did with all of our clothes and shoes. They're hanging on racks in our guest bedroom. So not too unmanageable here. And we're going to go ahead and dig into phase one. So with the company that we worked with, we had to have our closets demoed and painted first. I personally did not have an issue with this. It really didn't take too much. So we called Mr. Success Over Money himself, Quintel, to come in and help us with the job. And he did a wonderful job as usual. So here he is just taking out very carefully the pieces that were installed in my closet. From what we could always tell, this was a DIY project from the prior owners. And it seemed like a pretty simple task for him to take everything down. He was being super careful because he wanted to not have to do too much patching after everything was done. So here is also a peek into my husband's closet. His closet is on the outside of our bedroom and is smaller than mine, but we got something we're cooking up for him too. This is the finished demo of my closet. So all of the panels are out. You can just see kind of the yellow behind there. And Quintel did a great job. And he did have someone come and paint and patch all of the holes and stuff in the wall. So next, we'll move on to phase two, which is the actual installation. Here you see the 3D renderings of the closet. We got a chance, our salesperson actually sat down and did this with us when we had our consultation. And I mean, it really helped us to see the vision. And this is just a work in progress look of what we're having done to the closet. So I am going to give you a little walkthrough of the finished product now. Hello guys, so this is probably the first part of the video that I'm actually speaking on, but well, that's not a voiceover, but I'm super excited to show you sorry, I was eating mango, dried mango, but I'm super excited to show you guys the closets. They are finished and they are beautiful. Me and Charles are super happy with what they look like, and let me show you. All right, so I'm upstairs, a little winded because I just walked up the stairs, but I have to whisper a little anyway because my son is asleep. But the first closet I'm going to show you is Charles' former clothing closet, but it is now, well, let me just show you. His shoe closet. So, also you'll notice we had a light installed in here, and it is so bright and nice. Charles has quite a collection of shoes, and we've stuffed them in other places in the house that he can't really access them. And also this closet is, let me stand back so you can see, it's kind of small. So it's been really challenging for him to like use it effectively for both shoes and clothes. So when we were, during our consultation, we were talking to our representative, and we were working through the options, and we decided to make this closet just for Charles' shoes. And I think it's awesome. So you might want to know where he's gonna put his clothes. Let me show you. All right, so this is where Charles will now put his clothes. Yes, so we had a custom wardrobe built into our room, so he no longer has to leave the room to find an outfit. I mean, even though it's just outside the door, I mean, you know, it's the little things. Plus, adding this extra space allowed for him to have enough space for his clothes and for him to like have all his shoes out and not stuffed in the guest room closet. So this is nice. So we chose this dark, excuse me, we chose this dark finish because it matched closely with our bedroom furniture, and we think it looks very cohesive. So I mean, I'm really not the type of person to like switch bedroom furniture all the time, so I think this is great. We chose black finishes for this because we have dark finishes on the furniture too, so this was close to it. And open it, I'm gonna stand back. Has double doors, as you can see, and he has double hanging, so both at the top and the bottom. And we chose to go with black finishes for the rods too. So, and if we ever wanted to add more shelving or, you know, customize this a bit more, we have the option to. We probably have to work through California Closet to do it because these are their pieces, but I think this is just wonderful. I was really afraid that it was gonna look like, well, I was hoping that it wouldn't look like a out of place thing in our room, but it really looks really beautiful. So stand back so you can see it a little better. All right, and so now last but not least, Charles is in here, but he's in the bed, so I'm not gonna show y'all him, but he is in the room. Yep. But now, last but not least, I really hope this corner isn't embarrassing. I don't think it is, because sometimes I have to have like a bra hanging on the door, and I forget when I'm recording. I record a whole thing, and I got a bra hanging in the back the whole time. So anyway, I don't think that's the case. I'm looking, I don't have anything. Yeah, no. So last but not least, we have my closet. So we knew my closet was pretty sizable already, and it was already in the bedroom, but you know, it was whoever the previous owners of the home kind of did a DIY situation, and you know, it worked for me for a little while, but we always wanted to do this anyway at some point, and since we got the opportunity, now it is gorgeous. So here it is. This is my closet. So I have shelving for shoes. Now I don't have nearly as many shoes as my husband. I know a lot of times that's quite the opposite, but really these days you really don't know. Sometimes both parties have a lot of shoes, but Charles has way more than me, so I don't need a whole shoe closet. But I went with gold or brass finishes for my rods because I have gold in the bathroom, so I felt like that was a nice tie back. And I have 2 or 4 have double hang spots here, and I have a long hang spot here with a nice little shelf up there. I love that. And I have another spot to hang here along with more shelving. Yeah, and oh, also we did add a light here. If you looked at, I think I have 2 other closet videos. One was a declutter and one was another declutter, but a slight you know, refresh where I added those Amazon racks, which, you know, they pulled your girl through. But you would have saw I had a pull string light in there, and it was super annoying. So we have since switched this out to an LED light, and I now have a light switch. So super happy about this. All right guys, so that's the empty closet tour. I am probably, I don't know if I'm going to put my clothes in the closet. I mean, yeah, probably not. I don't think I'm going to film that in this video, but I may do it in the next vlog where we, you know, fill our closets and you get to see what it looks like. See how my clothes fill it out, because right now me and Charles' stuff is all just in the guest bedroom on racks. So yeah, we're very happy. We're super excited, and we are glad this project didn't take forever. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is a part of my Vlogmas series. I will not be posting videos every single day. That's a little bit aggressive for me right now, and I'll share more about that later. But I will be posting videos more regularly. So look for more content really soon. In the meantime, yeah, this is it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see what's next, and like this video. Let me know what you think about our closet. And if you want details of, what company we used and everything, I will drop them in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. And yeah, we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.